enter the room, you have your full-length mirror here. And then to the right, you have your bathroom with a sliding door. It looks like this. And then some artwork up there. Very pretty. You just have your bathroom and your shower in this portion of the room. So that's what the shower had. You do have a detachable and then just like a normal one. Then your shower products. You have 2 hooks over here, 2 more over there. And then in this next room, you actually have your vanity and bathroom sink. So it's outside of the toilet and shower. And then you have a pretty small but tall mirror here with a separate light here. And a lot of counter space, 1 sink. And then some storage space there. In there, and your trash. And then directly behind you have your kitchenette. So let me step back. Here's the kitchenette. So let's start over here. You have your real ceramic mugs and glass. Some more storage, microwave, paper plates and cups and bowls, your toaster. You have your fridge down here. No freezer. Sorry, I'm trying to get a good angle. It feels like I'm really zoomed in because the vanity is like right behind me and I can't back up any further. So that's why it feels like it's like really close. Plastic utensils, can opener, bottle opener, dishwashing things, paper towel, under sink storage, sink, ice bucket, coffee pot is pod and pot, and then coffees. Here's the closet. It is pull out doors like this. It's not super big. I've definitely seen bigger. Sorry, I have stuff in there already. But yeah, it's not super big, but decently sized. And then extra pillow blanket and your iron up there, and then safe down there. All right, TV on the left, lots of counter space. Pretty large drawers, honestly. So there's 6 of them, which is good. Little stool there and a little bench. Mirror here. Kind of like a half ottoman, half coffee table thing, but there is, these do pull up, so there's storage space in there for you. Couch with some decorative pillows and some abstract-ish artwork of Bailey Tower and the Contemporary with the monorail up there. All right, and then this sleeps 4 people, so 2 on the queen bed, which I'll get to in a second, and then 2 on the Murphy, so I will pull down the Murphy. I'm assuming I'll have to pull this out, so I'll let you know, but you shouldn't have to move any of the cushions or anything on the couch, so. All right, there we go. So I did have to move those decorative pillows and push away the coffee table and ottoman, but yeah, that's what that looks like. You have pretty castle and fireworks there. Okay, and here's the bed area. You do not actually have a bedside table. There's just 2 little small counters, I guess you can call them, shelves too. So there's some space in there. Your phone, then you have the reading lights here that just turn on when you pull them out. Here's your Mickey pillow. Same exact thing on the other side without a phone. Ooh, I like this a lot, actually. It's the Astro Orbiter, and then so like a little Tomorrowland, because Buzz is up there too. Cute. I love that. Nice. And then under bed space for luggage as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, I love the, like this background right here is like a black and white version of the Mary Blair murals at the Contemporary, which is really cool. They even have the 5-legged goat here, which is really, I just noticed that right now, but that is so awesome. I love that. Very cool. And then I'll show you the balcony tomorrow because it's really dark right now, and I'll show you when it's light so you can actually see the view. So, bye. This is our view. We have the pool view. Looks awesome. I'm gonna check that out later. And Bay Lake. And then you have 2 chairs and a table. It's also really big. It's a really big balcony. You can't really tell in the video, but it's both wide and long.